If you want to build a profitable home business in 2026, forget dropshipping and forget low-margin reselling. The real money is in production, creating unique, high-demand products using compact mini factory machines you can run from your garage, spare room, or even a desk. Today, I'm revealing 20 unusual high-profit machines that turn raw materials into products people actually buy. No fluff, just real opportunities that can turn a tiny workspace into a serious income stream. 1. Mini Cereal Puff Maker Machine. This machine pops grains into crispy cereal balls, perfect for launching artisan cereal flavors that go viral on TikTok. From chocolate drizzle to fruit-infused puffs, you can package these in premium bags and target health-conscious consumers. Production is fast, the machine is compact, and margins are huge because raw grains cost almost nothing. Ideal for online shops, farmers markets, and subscription snack boxes. 2. DIY Candle Swirl Art Machine. This machine creates swirl pattern marble effect luxury candles automatically. Handmade candles already sell extremely well, but this adds the wow factor that lets you charge premium prices. You can sell themed collections, custom colors, and seasonal scents. Perfect for branding and perfect for repeat customers. 3. Mini Pasta Shape Extruder. This small extruder creates custom pasta shapes: stars, shells, hearts, flowers, perfect for boutique pasta brands. With natural vegetable coloring like beetroot or spinach, your product looks Instagram ready and sells for premium prices. Restaurants and meal prep businesses also love unique pasta styles, opening doors to wholesale deals. 4. Aromatherapy Wax Melt Mold Machine. Wax melts are cheaper and easier to produce than candles, and sell extremely well on Etsy. This machine melts, blends, and pours into molds with perfect consistency. Combine fragrance oils, colors, herbs, or glitter to create collections. High margin, low cost, and super repeatable. 5. Mini Eco-Friendly Cutlery Maker. Rice husk / bamboo fiber. Eco-friendly products are exploding in demand. This machine compresses natural fibers into spoons, forks, and small containers. Perfect for sustainable brands or selling to cafes and event planners. These products stand out and give you a powerful niche advantage. 6. Artisanal Soap Stamp Press. Instead of soap cutting machines, this one stamps a custom 3D logos and designs onto handmade soap bars. Brand your own line or offer stamping services for other soap makers. Beautifully stamped soaps sell dramatically better and give your brand a luxury feel. 7. Compact Air-Dried Clay Toy Maker. This machine forms small figurines, charms, fridge magnets, and mini toys out of air-dried clay, items that dominate markets like craft fairs, Etsy, and kid-friendly brands. Because they dry naturally, production is easy, and the possibilities are endless. 8. Small Batch Vegan Cheese. Fermenter vegan cheese is massively trending. This micro-fermenter allows you to produce specialty cheeses, herb, garlic, smoked, truffle, and sell them at gourmet prices. Perfect for local markets, subscription boxes, or deli stores. 9. Decorative Stone Coaster Press. This machine presses stone powder into custom engraved coasters. Think luxury home decor, wedding gifts, corporate branding. Strong, durable products with high perceived value. Add resin coating or custom art for premium pricing. 10. Mini Popcorn Ball Maker. Creates perfect popcorn spheres for gourmet popcorn flavors. Caramel, matcha, Oreo, spicy chili. These sell extremely well during holidays and movie nights. Packaging is fun, production is fast, and everybody loves popcorn. 11th. DIY Lip Balm Filling Machine. Launch your own cosmetics line with customized lip balms. Tinted, glitter, organic, flavored. This mini filling machine ensures perfect tube filling, consistent texture, and fast production. Beauty products have some of the highest margins in the world. 12. Compact Incense Stick Dryer. This system dries homemade incense sticks evenly, preventing bending or cracking. Combine essential oils, herbs, or exotic scents to create a premium incense brand. Home decor, meditation, Yoga, huge evergreen niches. 13. Mini fruit leather roller machine. Turns fruit puree into healthy fruit rolls. Kids love them, and parents buy them non-stop. Completely natural ingredients, long shelf life, and endless flavor combinations. Perfect for health food stores or online bundles. 14. Concrete home decor mold vibrator table. This compact vibration table is used to create flawless concrete items. Candle holders, planters, trays, sculptures. Concrete decor is blowing up online because it's minimalistic, aesthetic, and super cheap to produce. 15. Cheese puff. Extruder for pet snacks. Pet snacks are a gold mine. This machine creates crunchy puff treats for dogs or cats using natural ingredients. Package them in cute bags, and you instantly have a pet brand with repeat buyers who reorder monthly. 16. Resin Jewelry UV Curing Machine. Creates stunning resin earrings, pendants, and rings. This curing system hardens resin instantly, allowing mass production of custom designs. Combine colors, glitter, pressed flowers, or gold flakes. Perfect for TikTok shops. 17. Automatic BBQ. Skewer Maker creates perfectly portioned meat or veggie skewers for meal prep businesses, grills, and home delivery. Skewers sell extremely well for events, parties, and weekly meal plans. Fast production with very little labor. 18. Mini Potato Twist. Cutter churro-style spiral chips are viral street food worldwide. This machine cuts potatoes into long, twisted spirals you can season and package for local delivery. Great for food stands, fairs, or home-based snack businesses. 19. Micro Kombucha Brewer. Kombucha is one of the fastest-growing drinks globally. This mini brewer allows you to produce small batches of flavored kombucha, ginger, berry, lavender, citrus, and sell in premium bottles. Huge demand among health-conscious buyers. 20. Compact Cookie Icing Printer Prints. Edible designs onto cookies. Logos, characters, holiday patterns. Perfect for events, birthdays, weddings, and corporate gifts. People pay premium prices for customized cookies, and production is fast and clean. Every one of these machines has the potential to turn a tiny workspace into a real, profitable business. The key is choosing the product that fits your style and sticking with it long enough to build demand. If you want more unique machines, niche business ideas, or full step-by-step guides, make sure to subscribe. Because the next idea might be the one that transforms your income forever.